Welcome to our tutorial on setting up your school's metrics for Regents planning in the portal by New Visions. In this video, we will walk through how you can enter Regents metrics to quickly and easily determine which students are on and off track for graduation based on Regents exams according to your school's sequence. Regents metrics allow schools to define when students are expected to pass each Regents exam needed for graduation. By entering these metrics for your school, the portal will determine whether or not students are on track for graduation based on Regents. This allows schools to quickly plan or adjust previous Regents plans for the students. Keep in mind this video is solely focused on Regents needed to graduate, but if you are interested in seeing whether or not students are on track, please view the Assign and Monitor Regents Plans tutorial. When you first log into the portal, you can quickly see key metrics around Regents for your school on the homepage. You'll be able to see the percentage of students on track in Regents, on track for college readiness, students who need Regents plans, and students who need Regents support for a Regents exam they'll be taking in the upcoming administration. In order for these calculations to be in alignment with your school's expectations, the first step that should be taken by an admin or delegated admin at your school at the beginning of the school year is setting up your school's metrics. To do so, click the Regents dropdown using the left side navigation and select Dashboard. From there, you'll see 3 tabs at the top. Click Setup to enter your Regents metrics. Here, you will enter when you expect students to pass each Regents exam needed for graduation. You can clear any default or filled data that does not align with your school's metrics by unchecking the boxes. So we'll just take a moment and uncheck these. Starting with the end of year 1, check off the Regents students are expected to pass, and then do the same for each of the following columns. Including the following year's Regents exams students are expected to pass, as well as which additional exams they need to pass each school year. For example, at my school, at the end of year 1, students are expected to have passed math and ELA. By the end of year 2, they are expected to have passed social studies and a +1. By the end of year 4, they are expected to have passed a science. So by the end of year 4, I would have checked off all of the 5 Regents in the portal needed to graduate, and then we'll click Save Changes, and then Confirm. If you have recently changed your Regent sequence or have offered different exams to different cohorts, there is an option above the table to select or deselect whether or not all cohorts follow the same sequence. To enter the metrics expectations for Advanced Regents Diploma, toggle over to Advanced Regents Diploma and continue the same process that you did for Regents Diploma, adding in the extra exams. Once you have checked off all of the Regents that students are expected to take to receive their Advanced Regents Diploma, click Save Changes. Accurately entering your school's Regents metrics into the portal allows schools to 1. Compare the Regents students have fulfilled versus school expectations. 2. Highlight Regents students need and are not scheduled for. 3. Show Regents students are scheduled for but are not in a Regents culminating class or Regents prep support. Please watch our tutorial on setting up graduation plans and setting up credit metrics as well to thoroughly and effectively monitor student progress to graduation. For questions or help, use the Calendly link in the video's description. Stay connected by following us on social media for exclusive content, the latest news, and updates on student success. Thank you for watching this video and setting up your school's metrics for Regents planning in the portal by New Visions.